Welcome to the Knowledge Compass, where we explore the latest trends and developments in technology. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting fields in tech today, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Body. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are two technologies that are rapidly transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subset of AI that involves giving machines the ability to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. One of the most exciting applications of AI and machine learning is in the field of healthcare. With the help of AI-powered diagnostic tools, doctors can now detect diseases at an early stage, predict patient outcomes, and provide personalized treatments. AI is also being used in the development of new drugs, which can accelerate the drug discovery process and save countless lives. Another area where AI and machine learning are making a big impact is in the field of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI algorithms to detect obstacles, plan routes, and make decisions in real time. With the help of machine learning, these vehicles can adapt to changing road conditions, learn from their experiences, and become even more efficient over time. AI and machine learning are also revolutionizing the way we do business. Companies are using these technologies to improve customer service, optimize operations, and make better decisions. For example, AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, while machine learning algorithms can analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and insights that humans might miss. Conclusion. As you can see, artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming the world in ways that were once unimaginable. From healthcare to transportation to business, these technologies are enabling us to do things that were once thought impossible. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained a better understanding of how AI and machine learning are changing the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'll see you in the next video on the Knowledge Compass.